Click on the link below to get price. The Burley D'Lite X is a versatile child transport solution that serves both as a bike trailer and a stroller. Designed for families who enjoy outdoor activities, this product accommodates 1 or 2 children, making it suitable for various family sizes. Its practical design and thoughtful features aim to provide a comfortable and secure experience for little passengers, while also being user-friendly for parents. At first glance, the Burley D'Lite X boasts a sturdy yet lightweight frame, which is an essential characteristic for a product intended for cycling and walking. The design incorporates a large, weatherproof canopy that provides ample protection from the elements, while also allowing for visibility and airflow. UV protection is an important feature as it helps shield children from harmful sun rays, making outdoor adventures safer. The interior of the trailer is well designed, featuring padded seats that can be reclined for comfort. This is particularly beneficial for younger children who may wish to nap during rides. The seating is equipped with adjustable 5-point harnesses, ensuring that children remain securely fastened while in transit. The spacious interior allows children to sit comfortably, even on longer journeys, and the ample headroom minimizes the risk of discomfort. For ease of use, the Burley D'Lite X trailer is designed with a simple folding mechanism that allows for quick assembly and disassembly. This feature can be very helpful for parents who need to transport the trailer in a vehicle or store it when not in use. The trailer also includes a spacious cargo area, giving families room to store essentials like snacks, toys, or extra clothing while on the move. In terms of versatility, the Burley D'Lite X transitions smoothly from biking to strolling. The included conversion kit allows users to switch between configurations with minimal effort, making it adaptable for various activities and terrains. Whether navigating through a park or cycling along a trail, the trailer's design supports a stable and secure ride. In summary, the Burley D'Lite X is a well-constructed bike trailer and stroller combination that prioritizes comfort, safety, and adaptability for families on the go. Its thoughtful features cater to both children and parents, making it a reliable choice for those who enjoy exploring the outdoors together. As a product designed for active families, it offers a practical solution for transporting children while encouraging a lifestyle of adventure and exploration.